Hi guys, it's your guy Atita Fitness. So today again, I want you guys to spend the day with me. I'm going to go to the gym, start with my workout, and I'm going to show you how I spend my day. It's a Saturday. I'm also meeting my friends later, but again, I have a bunch of activities that I'm going to do. So I want to take you guys along. I'm also going to talk about why I haven't been posting my videos consistently. I know like a lot of you guys are asking me why did I stop posting videos and all that. I have answers for you. I have a lot of things to talk about, so keep it here at Tita Fitness. If you're watching this video for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe, join the family at Tita Fit Farm. And if you are not following me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok at Tita Fitness, let's connect. Okay, let's go guys. So I told you guys I'm going to give you some reasons why I haven't been uploading videos on my YouTube channel the way I wanted to, because every week I said I'm going to upload at least 2 videos. So life has been so busy, I'm very busy at work. I teach 4 classes a week. I have to prepare on time, and also I'm a personal trainer full time, so I see clients most of the time. When I leave work, I am very busy, especially when you teach a class and you see more than 6 people and you keep talking to them for 1 hour, telling them what to do, asking them about their nutrition, what they're eating, if they're feeling stronger and all that, keeping in touch with all my clients. It can be exhausting at the end of the day, where you don't want to talk, where you don't want to do anything. And remember, I have to represent what I am selling to the people. I have to do my workouts, I have to eat good food and all that. All these things sometimes can be exhausting. So I don't want to put that as an excuse of why I am not uploading content, because I should do it. I have the weekends off, but I also have another job that I do on the side, which takes some of the time. But I want to make this a habit, and if you're outside there watching this video, I am passionate about what I do. I want to take it to the next level. If you have advice for me, please go ahead and tell me how I can have time management, time to create content, because these are the things that I want to do. I want to do it. Yeah, do you know what I mean? I want to do this. But as I am going outside there, chasing my dream, I hope you guys are doing the same thing, because it's never easy. A lot of people think that creating content is just having a camera in front of you and talking to the camera. It takes more than that. I can record the video that I'm recording right now, But if I'm not able to go cut it down, make sure I get the pieces right, put them together, and put all the information, like everything that takes with content creation. I want to be able to share it. So it takes so much behind the scenes, from filming, editing, and having the content. Some days I don't wanna like look at the camera because maybe I'm going through the emotions and all that. You know, as human beings, we have the downs and the ups of life. So when you're down here, sometimes you feel like the world is against you and you don't want to touch the camera. But I'm teaching myself that every time I'm feeling so much better, like I have good energy and all that, I should be able to share more content, because I feel like I have so much to share with you guys. I want to show you more about fitness, wellness, and also like nutrition. And all I need from you is your support on this journey, because it's not easy. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe to Atita Fitness. Support me. Watch my videos, guys. Please, when you have free time, watch my videos. Keep encouraging me. Keep talking to me. Let me know that you're watching my videos behind the scenes. Even if you are my enemy, you don't wish me well and all that, please just anonymously send me a text saying, hey, you're doing great, keep going and all that. That's all I need from you guys. Otherwise, I'm wishing you a good day. Yeah, make sure you get your services at Premier Oil. These guys are kind of like slightly expensive, but I like their services. They're amazing. So yeah, good job. And you don't have to book like appointment and all that. You just show up and they will take care of your car. Free marketing for Premier Oil.
When I get lonely, I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up, everything good.
So now I'm ready for the week. I'm done washing my car. Let's go home and try to update my schedule for the week. And I hope that I can edit this video today, guys. Thank you for always supporting me, watching my videos, and being here. You know, keep spreading Atita Fitness outside there. Tell your friends to tell their friends. You know, we want to grow this audience to 50k. And the news that I wanted to tell you guys is that I'm going to Denver, Colorado to hike one of the incline mountain. I can't wait to create content on that. And also I'm going to Arizona. If you're watching this video and you are in Phoenix, Arizona, or you are in Sedona, because I'm going to Sedona to hike some mountains there. This is big news. I want to meet Kenyans, or the people who are following Atita Fitness from the US. I want to meet you guys outside there so that we can connect, get to talk more about fitness, wellness, and nutrition, and see how we can help people get healthy. So thank you guys for being here. Atita Fitness to the top. Let's go.